What's up, YouTube? This is my first ever video. And I'm going to be talking you guys through how to make your own tufting frame. And I'm learning right along with you guys, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to go over all the materials and the sizes that you're going to need for this frame. From top to bottom, you'll need 2 pieces of the 7-foot wood, 2 pieces of the 6-foot wood, 3 pieces of the 3-foot wood, and 4 pieces of the 2-foot. Now for your materials. I used a standardized drill, 4 of the 90-degree large brackets. If you can get the same size, you should. I just couldn't find any on hand. You'll also need 3 of the double wide 2-inch corner braces. Later on in the video, you'll see that I did end up using different types of screws. I ended up using the 6 head instead of the 3.5 inch because it just didn't work with my wood. You'll also need a pack of the medium screw eyes. This is going to help you from keeping your yarn from being tangled while tufting. Lastly, you'll need your 1-inch screws. Now that I got them all lined up, it's 7 feet on top and bottom, and then it's 6 feet on the sides. I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to take these thingies that I showed you guys earlier, the 90-degree ones, and I'm going to go ahead and connect all 4 sides and get a little square. Okay. Hey. I personally thought it was easier to stand it up and then go ahead and finish doing your bottom half because, you know, gravity and all that. So after you're done with that, we're going to move on to the side pieces. Next, for your side pieces, we're going to grab 2 pieces of the 2-foot wood and apply it with the brackets. And then make sure that you have the brackets all the way sitting on the edge so that when you stand it up, it's standing up on its own. And as you can see here, I'm struggling just a little bit to get the wood screws into the wood, but drilling pre-pile holes is going to be a game changer for your wood. So I still ended up using the 3.5 inch screws for the corners just to make it a little bit more sturdy while I'm tufting. However, the 6 head screws definitely worked way better for my side pieces because it didn't split my wood. Okay, so I finally did both sides, and I took shorter screws for this part right here, and then I took longer screws for the outer frame of the wood. And then I also took that 1 piece of wood that's a little over 3 feet, and I applied it to the bottom to make it sturdy. So when it's standing, it's not just the frame and air laid out. So, okay, and by this point, you should have the frame standing up on its own. These are not screwed in all the way. These are just sitting up very nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna screw in all 3 of these. And then the second piece of wood that you have already assembled beforehand is gonna go in just behind it like that. And you're gonna screw down this way, going through here so that it can be all nice and tight. And here's the final product. As you can see, I did add on my carpet tacks. They are going to face away from your frame so that you can attach your canvas. I did end up making the frame adjustable. That's what you guys see on the inside of the frame there. But here are the medium screw eyes that I added on to the outside of the carpet tacks. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys don't follow me already, go ahead and head over to my Instagram. There should be more content coming for you guys soon. Okay, I think that's it.